Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to upload files to ChatGPT. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. To ChatGPT 3.5, we cannot add files, we cannot upload them. To do this, we can use a plugin extension. So we can use the extensions to make ChatGPT to take the files. We'll see what plugin you need to, or the extension that you need to be installing onto your Chrome. So we need to go and check for the extension in the Chrome web store. Here you need to search for an extension named ChatGPT File Uploader. And once I search for this, here I am with the results. So I am going to this ChatGPT File Uploader. So go to this one and click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and this would take some time to install this extension to our Chrome. And once you are done, go to the ChatGPT and reload this. Now we can see the submit file button. So I can just give some message and click on the submit file button. Once I click on the submit file, it will be taking me to go and choose the files from my local PC. Let me just choose one among these. And here this is taking our file. We can even just submit other files. Here I can summarize particular PDF or what all things that you want to do with the PDF or the text file that you upload to this ChatGPT. You can ask it to explain it and all. So it is very simple. All you need to do is go to the web store and install this particular extension of ChatGPT File Uploader, and then you are done with it. Now you can use this particular ChatGPT to submit the file and give the prompts. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.